Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your YouTube channel public. First, log into YouTube and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. Once inside the studio, look for Customization in the left-hand navigation bar. Click on it, then proceed to the Basic Info tab. This is where you'll find the essential settings to manage your channel's visibility. Within the Basic Info tab, you'll see an option for visibility. This is crucial for controlling who can view your content. To make your channel accessible to everyone, select the public option from the available choices. After making this selection, it's vital to click the Publish button, usually found in the top right corner. This action saves your changes and applies the public setting to your channel. While making your channel public is a key step, remember that individual videos also have their own privacy settings. Always double-check that each video you upload is set to public to ensure it appears in searches and recommendations. Similarly, if you use playlists, verify that their settings also allow for public viewing. This comprehensive approach guarantees your content reaches the widest possible audience. Now that your channel is public, it's time to promote it. Share your channel link across all your social media platforms to attract new viewers. Actively engage with your audience by responding to comments and utilizing community posts to build a loyal following. For those interested in improving their financial outlook, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. Keep creating great content, and your audience will grow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.